Yeah, I'm going to share some secrets that turned me to what I am today. All right, so let me first open a long position with, of course, using my own trading strategy predicting this signal. The strategy is based on four main indicators, and I'm teaching my strategy in my course. So, anybody interested in learning the strategy, you can do it through the course in the description below, or you can go directly to learnthestrategy.com. So learnthestrategy.com. So as I was saying, guys, my secrets are simple, right? The strategy is based on four main indicators. I spent years in developing and refining, beautiful, the first win, and refining my own trading strategy. Weeks, years, or you may never develop a good trading strategy, but you should keep trying and keep learning, because when starting with binary option trading, it's important to build a solid foundation before risking real money, right? For example, the first thing is understanding binary options. Because you are going to trade binary options, you must understand what is binary options. Yeah, the simple explanation is it's a financial instrument where you predict whether the price of an asset will go up or down. Second win. So as I was saying, the market would start going up, and I got, yeah. So let's go up again, because I'm getting some, yeah, long positions, and the buyers will push the market upward, and that's what I'm going to follow. I'm going to follow the buyers mostly in this signal. So as I was saying, guys, it's a financial instrument where you predict either the market is going up or down within a set time. And it's either call or put. The call is buy, so you predict the price will go up, and the put is sell. You predict the price will go down. Here on IQ option, we call it higher and lower. So buy and sell, or call and put. Also, the expiry time is important. So it's the duration. Great. It's the third win, I guess. This one, the third win, and this market's still going up. This one, yeah. The market is still going up. Let's go up again with $300 as usual. I believe that the market is going up. So as I was saying, the expiry time is the duration of the trade. So either 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, etc. So for example, here I'm trading the 1 minute expiration time. And the last thing you must look at is the payouts and the risk, of course. Typically, the payout will be between 70 and 90% if you win, right? And if you lose 100% of your investment in that trade. So you must put that in mind. It's risky. When you win 70%, but when you lose 100%. Great. Yeah, this is an easy session and an easy signal. Yeah, those who mastered my own trading strategy understand why I like to trade this calm periods of the market. It's calm. I'm calling it calm. There is no event outside affecting the market and pushing it randomly toward an uptrend or a downtrend and predictable trends. Now, here it's calm, easy, even though I'm opening higher. The price is a little bit higher, but yeah, this one is a win. This one is also a win. I believe that we are seeing a market moving upward. Look at the MACD, guys. The MACD is going, indicating an uptrend. So, just give me learn the market basics and analysis. Learn market movements, price charts, trends, and yeah, market behaviors. Also learn technical analysis, candlestick patterns. Those will help you predict future price movement, support and resistance, key levels where price react, and of course indicators. My favorite part is indicators. uh, my strategy now is based on four main indicators. There is no moving average. Remember, there's no moving average, even though in course I talk about moving averages, but yeah, there's no moving average. Great. I believe that now we will start to see some red, or we will start to see the market going down, and I don't believe that I can trade more. I guess we still have the last trade. This will be the last trade. Yeah, yeah. This will be the last trade, and after this, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know where the market is going. So let's go down, and this will be the last one, right? So as I was saying, guys, learn technical analysis. Also learn some fundamental analysis. It will help you avoid the market when there is a lot of events, a lot of things happening outside the technical analysis. Learn to manage the risk, uh, and learn trading psychology. Never risk too much, control your emotions, and have a good, solid trading strategy. Random trading leads to losses. So random trading leads to losses. Keep that in mind. And as usual, guys, I'm just trying to help you here. I'm not giving you any financial advices. This is not a financial advice. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. I'm not telling you that you will make the same amount of money as I'm doing here. It's risky. I spent years. This is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. So keep that in mind and try to trade with demo account. Don't risk real money before you are 100% sure about your trading strategy, and before you are 100% sure about the outcomes. So please be careful when trading with real money. Great. Yeah, I guess that's it. This is the last trade.